The problem with the market is that it's totally out of your control. Or maybe not. Today on the 5-Minute Sales Training, we'll talk about how to redefine a tough market in new home sales. Well, welcome back everyone to the 5-Minute Sales Training, where today we'll look at how to redefine a tough market. So happy to have you here. Hit that like button if you would, please. It helps get the engagement up on these videos. Okay, so the market was red hot and everyone was a genius. Sales professionals were heroes and heroines. Sales managers were the definition of brilliance. Consultants were planning their own parades.
Whoop-de-doo. Should we throw them a parade?
Oh, sure, the market was strong, but it wasn't that strong, was it? I mean, much of the success came from our superior efforts, right?
Right.
The problem in a prolonged healthy market lies in what I refer to as the entitlement mentality on the part of new home sales professionals. Now, that mentality says, if I show up for work and handle the rush of stuff that comes my way, I'm going to get my fair share of sales. It says, in a nutshell, the market will come to me.
It will come to fruition, yes.
And then the market suddenly changes. In the blink of an eye, you see higher interest rates and lower urgency. And dozens of non-contingent home buyers suddenly remember that they're in fact contingent and can't sell their homes. Investors and quasi-investors suddenly come up with creative excuses as to why they should get their entire deposit refunded.
I want my money back.
Now, something has to change, and I believe that the change towards a positive environment begins with you, the sales professional. If you are not positive and optimistic, it's a good bet that your customer will follow your lead. So let's start with your outlook on the market. Oh, wait, let's not, because the market is what the market is. Look, we can discuss ad nauseum the state of the market, and it won't change a thing. Just take a look at the list of factors that normally make up the housing market. Supply and demand, pricing, economic factors, competitive forces, job growth, interest rates, mortgage availability. And the problem with that list is that the factors are all elements over which we have no control. So the list suggests that you are a victim of your circumstances. More than that, it suggests that the customer is also a victim. But why not simply change the definition of the market and make it work on your behalf? I believe that's possible using this very simple definition. The market equals one salesperson plus one home buyer. The market equals one salesperson plus one home buyer. You are that one salesperson, and the next person who walks through the door is that one home buyer. Think about it. If the person that walks through the door is in a position to buy and you're in a position to sell, how strong is the market? It's phenomenal. It's a truly great market.
It's great.
See, the mindset of a top sales professional says thousands of people around the country will buy a home this week. Why not the person who's about to walk into my sales office? Now, how does that mindset affect the market factors that we listed just a moment ago? Well, it renders them irrelevant. The market is no longer about interest rates unless they affect this particular customer. The market's no longer about prices and incentives unless they affect the customer's value equation. But you must come to grips with the idea that every customer who walks through the door brings their own individualized market. The market is walking through your door right now. The entire market is walking through your door right now, and you get one shot with this particular market. Will you maximize that opportunity? It's only a matter of whether you will embrace the market or be a victim of the market. If entitlement is the mindset to avoid, what's the most advantageous mindset to adopt? And the word to dwell on is this: maximize. You must maximize every sales opportunity and take it as far as it will go. This is the practice of top professionals. They maximize sales opportunities in a couple of specific ways. First, top sellers maximize their opportunities to sell in a tougher market. You see, true sales professionals take advantage of every conversation and advance every sale as far as possible. So you got to look at it this way. When a customer walks into a sales office and leaves without buying, it means that someone stopped the sale. Who did that? Now, the prospect might stop the sale for a number of legitimate reasons, but you must never stop the sale. You must take every sale as far as it will possibly go. Second idea, top sellers maximize their opportunities to grow in a tougher market. Now, allow me to be candid with you. I made a lot of money in a great market, but I learned how to sell in a tough market. I often tell my clients there are lessons to be learned in times of adversity that cannot be learned in times of prosperity. Are you willing to embrace those opportunities to learn and to grow? You won't do that by default. You must have a plan. Current market conditions will provide you with an outstanding opportunity to grow in new and exciting ways if you commit yourself to that goal. Now, if you want to learn more about mastering a tough market, and good news, I'm updating and re-releasing this book, Tough Market New Home Sales, at the beginning of 2023. Thanks for watching once again, everybody, and until next time, learn more to earn more.